Welcome to our video journey where we explore the fascinating world of pronunciation, unraveling the mysteries behind each word and its usage. In this video, the word is acidity. 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 Acidity is a noun that refers to the sourness or acidic nature of substances. It is commonly used to describe the concentration of acid in a substance or the sour taste of a food or beverage. Here are some examples. Example number 1. In cooking, the right level of acidity can elevate the flavors of a dish. Why acidity is used in example number 1. Acidity is used to discuss the impact of sourness on culinary creations. Example number 2. Coffee enthusiasts often savor the bright acidity in certain coffee beans. Why acidity is used in example number 2. Acidity is mentioned to describe the flavor profile of coffee. Stay tuned for more linguistic wonders and join us in unlocking the magic of language. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep speaking, writing, and embracing the beauty of words.